Hello everyone, welcome to the first accompaniment video of AnimEazy. Today, as you might have guessed, I'm going to teach you how to be using Google AutoDraw. So, I have mentioned Google AutoDraw in my fourth PIVOT Animator tutorial, that is the adding sprite images and backgrounds one. And I know many of you people were wondering how it works. So, here you are. Today you're going to learn how to use this software. And guys, also this isn't an app. This is sort of like a website from Google. So I'm going to click on Google Chrome first. Or if you're using any alternative web browser as your primary web browser, you can just type in google.co.in anywhere. Then I'm going to search here. Okay, so the first result that comes, this one is Google AutoDraw. So I'm going to click on this, and basically it's an AI that will guess what you are drawing. So forget about those scribbles that you make with your mouse. Whenever you want to make some good line drawing artwork, then you can use Google AutoDraw. As simple as that. So in this video, I'm just going to be teaching about two features. One is AutoDraw. The other one is the normal draw, in which AutoDraw isn't activated, and of course I have to show you the colors feature, so it isn't included in my list. So I'm going to switch the default color to black, and there is one disadvantage with the colors. You cannot make your own colors. That is because it's a website and can only use website colors, but still it's fine. So I'm going to switch my color to black. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you guys the AutoDraw tool. So let's say I want to draw a T-Rex. I'm going to try to draw the best T-Rex I can draw using my mouse. Actually, I'm quite impressed by that. How did I draw that? Oh my god. Okay, no. The end part isn't too impressive. Yeah. Okay, so let's see if AutoDraw guessed what I was trying to draw. Apparently, my T-Rex looks like this, a dragon. So guys, you have to forgive AutoDraw for this because it is an AI. And AI does make mistakes. But I'm sure we can find a T-Rex in here somewhere. I just don't know where. I'm looking around. Alright, look at that. We found a T-Rex head. Well, we did find a velociraptor and it does match our drawing in a way. Let's try drawing it again. So I'm just going to Ctrl Z all the way back. I'm going to try and draw something a little better and which looks a little more like a T-Rex. Alright. I'm trying to give it as much realism as possible using my mouse, which is practically impossible. Okay, the leg. Now I'm actually impressed about that. Like the other leg. Okay, no, this isn't impressive. I'm going to Ctrl Z again. Yeah, we need to make a proper foot. Come on, T-Rex. Do you know what your foot looks like? Okay, that big long tail. Alright, so the first one that comes is the head of a Brachiosaurus. Goodness. We got it! The T-Rex! It's right here! Oh god! I found it! I found it, guys! I found it. Okay, so you can also fill what you find with different colors. Let's fill this one brown. And that interior mouth portion, I think it can be red. Yeah. Now doesn't that look perfect? So I'm going to click on the normal draw option this time so that I can draw his little beady eye. Oh no, I don't want my T-Rex to have a red eye. He's a good T-Rex. Nice and sweet T-Rex. Yeah, look at that. Okay, now he looks like a T-Rex. Okay, so there's the select tool as well. So I'm going to select my T-Rex like this. Oops. Okay, I'm selecting my T-Rex from right here, from this corner. And then I'm going to go all the way here. Oh no. Okay, so it does select your whole drawing. So I'm going to move my T-Rex up here. Yeah. Now let's get to the part where you have to download this. Wait, what happened to my eye? Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, so now I'm going to download this picture. You see there's this menu option right here. You click on that and there's this download option. You have to click on this. There you go. So it shows up in my gallery right here. So now I'm going to close AutoDraw. Open gallery again. And I'm going to edit this. Just crop it so that we can use it in our animation. So I'm just going to open PIVOT Animator once and insert this, right? I'm not going to animate with it. I'm just going to show you guys that this actually works. So I'm going to click on done. Done, done, done. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Yeah, now our T-Rex is just fine as usual. I'm going to open MS Word to make it a transparent image, of course. I hope this works. Come on, Word, open up quick. We don't have much time today. Yeah, so I'm going to click on blank document. There you go, there's our Word document. So I'm going to go to the Insert tab and I'm going to click on Pictures, not Online Pictures, no. So I think I saved it in Images, or did I save it in Downloads? Probably Downloads. Yeah, there it is, there it is. T-Rex. So I'm going to insert the picture right here and I'm going to remove the background just by clicking on that. Yeah, that is a little alternative you can use to just grabbing both of the ends. You can just grab the corners. Okay, so I think it's cropped just fine. I'm going to keep changes. There you go. I'm going to save as picture. I'm going to save it in my images folder. I'm saving it as T-Rex. Save. There you go. So let's close Microsoft Word. No, we don't need this anymore. And now let's get to the real part. I'm going to close my gallery, or photos rather. I'm going to open Start. Click on PIVOT Animator. Okay. So now I'm going to File, Load Sprite Image, and it should be somewhere around here. There you go, T-Rex. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that perfect how it comes in the preview? I'm going to open it. T-Rex, T-Rex, where are you? Okay, turns out it's as big as a real T-Rex in comparison to the figure. Great. Everything is so real. I mean, seriously, everything is so real. Look at that! Okay, come on, figure, buddy. You've got to get inside this T-Rex. Yeah. Get in. Get in, man. Get in. So we can call this guy Sticky. Oh no! Help! Help! The T-Rex is eating me! Ah! I I really like that pose actually. I really like that pose. Let's move him further inside the T-Rex. Oh no. Actually, we can animate this a little bit. Okay. No, don't do this, no. Oops. Looks like Sticky's leg just came out of the T-Rex's back. Wow. Amazing. Yeah, this reminds me of Harry Potter. That part where Gilderoy Lockhart is like, amazing, amazing. This is just like magic. God, like that scene was so funny. Even in the book, that part was really funny. So I'm going to click delete the figure. And now the T-Rex just jumps in joy. Yeah, look at that. It's like so huge. It's lagging so much. And honestly, I've actually never used a sprite that's so big. Even in PIVOT Animator. Yeah, T-Rex, would you be polite enough to move out of this stage? Please, please buddy, please. So, T-Rex buddy, sorry, but you have to move out. Yeah, now do you fly up like that? Yeah, let's play this thing once. I don't know how this will turn out. Oh my god, T-Rex! Ah! Guys! Isn't this the funniest animation ever? Alright, I don't want to save this. So, that's all I had to say today. So, in this video, you learned how to use AutoDraw, how to make AutoDraw images transparent, and how to use those images in PIVOT Animator. Isn't that amazing? Of course it is. So, thanks for watching and see you guys next time. Bye!